Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Within baleen whale species, some individuals develop an accessory spleen, a seemingly functionless formation of a splenetic tissue outside the normal spleen. Given the formation's greater prevalence among whales known to make deeper dives, some research hypothesize that its role isn't blink. Rather, the accessory spleen may actively support diving mechanisms. So from the text, we're given how the baleen whale species develop an accessory spleen, and it's a seemingly functionless formation of splenetic tissue. But some evidence suggests that it isn't actually functionless, and rather it helps support diving mechanisms. So option choice A says replicable. This is incorrect because replicable means being able to be reproduced. But this isn't quite the focus of what the text is about. Instead, it's focused on how the role isn't functionless. Instead, it has actively supporting diving mechanisms, so it has some sort of function. But because A, replicable, doesn't make sense in this context, A can be eliminated. B, predetermined. This is incorrect because predetermined means to be decided in advance, but this wouldn't make sense in the context because it wouldn't make sense for the text to say some researchers hypothesize that its role isn't determined in the future. So B, predetermined, is incorrect. C, operative. This is incorrect because this is against what the text is saying, because operative means having a function, and in the context it would say that some researchers hypothesize that its role isn't operative, or that it has no function, but it's instead the text is making the claim that that it does have a function, not that it doesn't have a function. So C, operative, is incorrect. D, latent. This seems to be the correct answer because latent means dormant or functionless, and this in the context would highlight how some researchers hypothesize that its role isn't dormant and that it actually does have a role, which is to actively support diving mechanisms. Therefore, D, latent, is the correct answer.